And one about event. Representing King of Town Fitness Center, Batangas City, ladies and gentlemen, June Ruiz Solis. And is upon to cross the ring. Fighting out of the red corner, wearing red, blue, and white. Official weight, 117 pounds. Professional record, one victory with no defeat. Ladies and gentlemen, from Hardstone Monis Boxing of Bangang, La Union, introducing Nino Cardoza. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee.
Stop, wala nang susuntok. Pag sinabi, break lang. Okay. That's done.
Round number 1. End of the round. Seconds of the very first round, we have a winner by technical knockout. Your winner, Nino Cardoza.